You ruined the big project this time! Ah! Pack your things and leave the office now!
I am so sorry for my big mistake.
Sorry is not enough. You are fired today.
Please give me one more chance to fix it.
No more chances. Take your box and go.
I am so sorry this happened to you.
Thank you. I do not know what to do. It is raining so hard and I feel sad. How can I tell my family about this?
Dad is home! Welcome back from work, Dad. We missed you so much today, dear Daddy. Hello.
Hello, my sweet kids. I missed you too.
You look very tired today. Are you okay?
I am just a little tired from work.
Dinner is ready. Let us eat together now.
This chicken is so yummy. Try some, Dad.
Thank you, Leo. I am not very hungry. Thank you, Leo. I am not very hungry.
Why are you so very quiet tonight, Daddy?
I just need some rest in my room.
Tell me the truth. What happened at work?
I made a bad mistake and got fired.
Oh no. I am so sorry to hear that.
I do not know how to pay our bills.
We will get through this difficult time together.
I feel like a bad father to our kids.
You are a great father. Do not say that.
Did you hear that? Dad lost his job today. Oh no. Poor Daddy. He looks so sad and tired. We have to do something to help him.
I need to look for a new job online.
Kids, come here. We need a secret plan.
I will give Dad all my piggy bank money. And I have some shiny coins for him, too.
You two are so sweet. I love you both.
We should buy him a very special gift. A gift will make him smile and feel happy.
That is a wonderful idea. Let us go shopping.
We must be very quiet so Dad cannot hear. Yes, it is our top secret family mission.
Look at this cup. It says, "Best Mom Ever."
That is perfect. Dad will love drinking his coffee.
Oh, I think you're right.
I also want to buy this nice red tie.
Come on. Ah, he can wear it to his next job interview.
I want to buy this beautiful family picture frame.
Let us put our best family photo in it. I will buy a small chocolate cake for dinner.
We have to hide everything before Dad comes down. I will put the gifts under the living table.
Great job, kids! Everything is ready for the surprise.
Another company said no to my job application. I thought I had that one. Finding a good job is harder than I thought. Maybe I am not good enough for this work.
Do not lose hope. You are very smart.
Dad is sitting outside and looking very sad. He's okay.
Can I go outside and hug him now? Wait a little longer, Lily. Tonight is the surprise.
I cannot wait to see Dad smile again.
We will make him the happiest dad ever. Let us finish setting up the dinner table. Dinner is ready. Please come inside the house.
Coming. I am walking inside right now, honey. Why is it so dark in the living room? Did we lose the power in the house?
Surprise! We love you so much, our great dad.
Surprise! You are the best daddy in the world.
We prepared this special dinner just for you.
Oh my goodness. What is all of this?
We bought some secret gifts for you today. Open the gifts right now, please, Daddy.
All right, let's open them. A coffee cup. Best dad ever. Thank you.
I bought you this red tie for your interview.
This tie is so beautiful. Thank you, Leo.
I bought this photo frame for our family picture.
This is a wonderful picture of our happy family.
Here is a special card from the kids.
You are our hero. A job can be replaced, but you can never be replaced. I love this. You guys are making me cry, happy tears. I'm so proud of you both.
We will always support you, no matter what happens.
I feel so much better and stronger now.
I will fix my resume and try again tomorrow.
I can help you practice for your next interview.
You can do it, Dad. You are the best. You are super strong and very smart, Daddy.
Hello. We really like your resume and skills. We want to invite you for a job interview.
That is wonderful news. I will be there tomorrow.
Good luck at your interview today, honey.
Thanks, honey.
Go get that job, Dad. We believe in you.
Thank you, kids. We love you, Dad. I am home. I have some really great news.
Tell us quickly, how was your job interview?
They loved me. I got the new job today.
Yay! I knew you could do it, Dad. Hooray! My daddy is the best worker ever.
I am so proud of you, my dear husband.
I could not do it without my amazing family.
Let us eat the rest of the chocolate cake.
Wow!
Losing a job is hard, but family is forever. With family by your side, you can do anything.